Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to use Liquid Benchmarking Java API. First we need to go to wiki.liquidbenchmark.net. In table of contents you can see RESTful interface. Our API is a part of our RESTful interface. We have designed the API in order to make the job much easier for developers. So we need to go into Liquid Benchmarking RESTful interface. And in here we can find equal to Java API. In Java API page, it's fully described how to use and how to create a project, how to connect and set token, get queue, create experiment, and get experiment. Now we need to download the API. So you need to click on LiquidAPI.zip and download it. Okay, when you have it downloaded, so you need to unzip it. So I'll just unzip that. So we now have two jar files, so we will need both of them. So the first and most important jar file is LiquidAPI, so this is the actual API, and another jar file is JRC bundle 1.18. So this is basically this provides us the service to use web service, which is based on RESTful in Liquid benchmarking. So we need to integrate these two, import these two jar files in our Eclipse project. So let's go to Eclipse. So we need to create a new project. So right click and new project. So it's a general Java project. And now we need to provide a project name. So we say test liquid API. And you must use Java 1.7 and hit our finish. Right? So we now have our new project in Eclipse. So we have source and we have another directory which is JRE system library. So let's import those two API, those two jar files, and just move it to our Eclipse and put it on project name. So copy files, okay. So we have our two jar files. Now we need to put the Java field libraries. So we need to add jars, and in test LiquidAPI we have two jar files. So we need to add them, and okay. And so we have these jar files available for our project, so we can use them. So let's go to the source and create a new package and call it com.liquid API. And in that package, I just want to create a new class, and we need test liquid. And I just want to have main statement as well, so just hit and finish. So now we have our class available. So now we need to create an object from our Liquid API. So Liquid API equals the Liquid API. Okay, we need to add the class as well. So import Liquid API. Yeah. So it's been imported. Now we don't have any errors. Okay, in this stage we need to check if the service is available or not. So the easiest thing is hit connect. So I just want to sys out Liquid API connect. So let's run this. As Java application. Okay, and okay, it says it's connected. So when it says it's connected, means there's services available for us. So now in this stage we need a token. So we go to the Liquid Benchmark platform. I already logged into the system. I click on my username and take my token from here. So take the token, go to Eclipse, and we don't need to connect anymore. So we have to set the token. So repeat API dot set token. So we need to provide token. It's a string. Alright. So that's it. This is the token. So I just want to get the queue now. So sysout liquid API dot get queue. Okay. So basically this token is my user. So whatever I can see in previous attempts, I will get it in that section. So let's run our program, Java application. Okay, so this is basically JSON output of whatever I see from my platform, so I can use this. It's all information is here. In order to create a new experiment, you need to first you need to say liquid API dot create experiment. So first is a computation environment ID. So we need to provide computation environment. So I just want to let's go to the platform, and I want to run it in computation environment. In this, I take the ID, which is 729. So 729 algorithm ID. Let's say I want XML ppm. This is 727. So it's 727. And now we have 727. We need task ID. So task ID, let's say this task is 730. Just go and put 730. The output, we need to put the name of the output, which is time. So I will say, because this is a string, I have to say like this, time, and time I just put public. I want to make it public, so you can sysout this, because it will basically return an ID of the new experiment which is added to the system. So if I go to the Liquid Benchmark platform, I can see everything is finished. So I go here, I just want to run that and I create a new experiment. So right click and run as Java application. Alright, now we can see that we got the ID for our newly created experiment. So we can go switch to platform and go to previous attempts and refresh. So we can see that we have a new created experiment, which is Windows, XML VPN, the comparison task, and admin user. So basically we're using our own token and the status is pending. So we need to allocate some time in order to get executed. So now we have another method. So let's try to see if we can get the description of the newly created experiment. So remember, the ID was 215. So I just sysout liquid API dot get experiment. So it's 215, and let's run it. Okay, so this is all the information for our newly created experiment. So if we wait and run it later on, we will see the output as well. So it only includes the inputs because our experiment hasn't been executed yet. So we can go again to platform and check the notification so you're logged in. And if we wait a little bit, we will see that it will create a new virtual machine and we'll try to run our experiment. So basically this is the explanation of how to use our Java API in order to create an experiment, get an experiment, get the queue, and set the token. In the future releases, we will add more options to our API. Thank you.